श्री सुखमनी साहिब अष्टपदी चोॾहीं पौड़ी टी। वडभागी ते जन जग मां सदा सदा हर के गुण गा। राम नाम जो करे विचार से धनवंत गनी संसार। मन तन मुख बोले हर मुखी सदा सदा जानो ते सुखी। एको एक एक पछाने इत उत की ओह सोझी जाने। नाम संग जिसका मन मान्या नानक तिने निरंजन जानिया। नाम संग जिसका मन मान्या नानक तिने निरंजन जानिया। से वडभागी हिन जग में जे सदैव हरिय जा गुण ॻाइनि था, जे राम नाम जो वीचार कनि था, से संसार में धनी पुरुष लेखजनि था। जे मन तन ऐं मुख सां हरिय जो नाम चवनि था, से ॼाण त सदैव सुख में रहनि था। जे हिक ई हिक खे ॼाणनि था, से हिन लोक ऐं परलोक खे पछाणनि था। जंहिंजो मन नाम संग में लॻी वञे थो, सोई निरंजन परमात्मा खे ॼाणे थो।
मन प्रबोध पहिरें खां चौथे ताईं। राम नाम तेरो काम थी दुनिया खां तू उदास। नूरी गोबिंद गाए मना रहो संत जना के पास। राम नाम तेरो धाम भिट की छोपर देश में। नूरी गोबिंद गाए मना रहो तू आत्म देश में। राम नाम ज्ञान गाम उठ जाग थी तैयार। नूरी गोबिंद गाए मना दिल में पाए दीदार। राम नाम तीरथ स्नान वनी चो मथुरा काशी। नूरी गोबिंद गाए मना आही अलख निवासी। नूरी गोबिंद गाए मना आही अलख निवासी।
श्रीमद् भगवत गीता अध्याय 12 श्लोक 13। श्रीमद् भगवत गीता अध्याय 12 श्लोक 13। वैर भाव खां जो रहे थो परे ऐं सभिनी जो मित्र। अभिमान ममता बिना खिम्यावान दयालु रहे जो सदा संतोषी। ऐं सुख में ऐं दुख में आहे जो समान। यतन में रतन जो रहे थो पके निश्चय वारो। मन बुद्धि मुँह में जो अर्पण करे सोई भक्त मुझो प्यारो। सोई भक्त मुझो प्यारो। जिजे कीन कहीं खान कहीं के जजारे ऐं चिंता खुशी का न्यारो। हसद नाहि जंहिंखे न की क्रोध को सोई भक्त मुझो प्यारो। सोई भक्त मुझो प्यारो। इच्छा रहित जो पवित्र चतुर जो ऐं चिंता बिना जो करे थो सुधारो। फल की इच्छा सब पिछी जो करे, सोई भक्त मैं जो प्यारो, सोई भक्त मैं जो प्यारो। बिना हर्ष आई द्वेष त्यागे थो जो भलो आई बुरो, चिंता रहित जो न उमेदू अरे, सोई भक्त मैं जो प्यारो, सोई भक्त मैं जो प्यारो। शत्रु मित्र आई मान अपमान, छज घर में आई सुख दुख सबिन में, समाभाव रखे छो रहे राजी सबते, निंदा स्तुति में सागी रीत हले छो, धन नजर मिलकत बिना शांति को अस्थिर चित्त वारो, सब्र में रहे जो सोई भक्त में जो प्यारो, सब्र में रहे जो सोई भक्त में जो प्यारो। अमृत रूपी ज्ञान अमल में जो आने सची अश्रद्धा वारो, वछे शरण में जी सोई भक्त में जो प्यारो, सोई भक्त में जो प्यारो। अमृत रूपी ज्ञान अमल में जो आने सची अश्रद्धा वारो, वछे शरण में जी सोई भक्त में जो प्यारो, सोई भक्त में जो प्यारो। ओम तत्सत। ये श्रीमद् भगवत गीता उपनिषद ब्रह्म विद्या योग शास्त्र जो श्री कृष्ण संवाद जो भक्ति योग वारो 12 अध्याय पूरो छो।
नूरी ग्रंथ पेज 9 to 8। आरती। आलियूं अखियूं दर तुंहिंजे ते थियूं अचनि, नीह न्यारे में तो लय पेयूं वर वर नचनि। तुंहिंजे चरणनि ॾींहं राती, ही आब अखियुनि जो मुंहिंजी आरती। न कर्म कोई आऊं सुञाणा, न योग युक्ति काई पछाणा। ऐं सॼण जे छिकी तूं हिसाब, त दर तुंहिंजे ते आऊं लाजवाब। कर माफ़ मुंहिंजा सभु कसूर, दर दया जो न तूं पूर पूर। संतन जे दर रहा रोज़ दासी, संतन जे संग लाइ आहियां आऊं प्यासी। संतन जे चरणनि मूंखे शल विहारी, महर तिना दे शल पाणी पियारी। अचन शाल मुंहिंजनि पखनि में से पेही, के अहवाल करियां आऊं तिन सां वेही। उन्यायल उसाटियल आहे नूरी निमाणी, संतन जे दर ते आहे सा विकाणी।
दीन
दयालु सद कृपालु मोरे सतगुर दादल शाह मां मंगतो तू शावाली दे मुखे मेहर निगाह मोरे सतगुर दादल शाह। ओम जय 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 जगदीश हरे कीन घुरामा प्यो कुछ प्रीतम न की दुनिया न की दी कंद कपाया तो खे पाया तुझे चरण थया कुछ की मोरे सतगुर दादल शाह। ओम जय 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 जगदीश हरे अंदर में जे ऊंदे उनी अची बाजरियरो बार मिठड़ो मुखड़ो कमल जड़ो पाया दीदार मोरे सतगुर दादल शाह। ओम जय 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 जगदीश हरे मन इंद्र ने खा पारे उकारे सुरत शब्द मिला माया पर्दा लाहे लाहे ज्योत स्वरूप बता मोरे सतगुर दादल शाह। ओम जय 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 जगदीश हरे तुझे नूर नूरानिय में है नूरी अंजलि करे निवास जन्म जन्म में दरजी दासी नबी का आए प्यास मोरे सतगुर दादल शाह। ओम जय 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 जगदीश हरे दीन दयालु सद कृपालु मोरे सतगुर दादल शाह मां मंगतो तू शाहवाली दे मुखे मेहर निगाह मोरे सतगुर दादल शाह। ओम जय 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 जगदीश हरे ओम जय 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 जगदीश हरे ओम जय 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 जगदीश हरे।
तेरी शरण में 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 पाप गुनाह किए जो मैंने मेरे मालिक कर दे वे सारे माफ तू पाप गुनाह किए जो मैंने मेरे मालिक कर दे वे सारे माफ जन्म जन्म के गुनाह ये घनेरे तेरी मेहर बिन कैसे होंगे साथ तेरी शरण में 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 तेरी शरण दादा तेरी शरण में, तेरी शरण में, तेरी शरण में। तू मात पिता में बालक तेरा, रहम में तू मुझको निहार। मात पिता तू मैं बालक तेरा, रहम में तू मुझको निहार। मेरे पाप है बेशुमार, जन्म जन्म से हूँ गुनहगार। तेरी शरण में, 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 तेरी शरण दादा तेरी शरण में, तेरी शरण में, तेरी शरण में। भव सागर भारी मेरी तैयारी, केवल दिल की प्यास पुकार। भव सागर भारी मेरी तैयारी, केवल दिल की प्यास पुकार। जप तप साधन मैं ना जानूं, केवल दिल में है तेरा प्यार। तेरी शरण में, 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 तेरी शरण दादा तेरी शरण में, तेरी शरण में, तेरी शरण में। देखना अवगुण है मेरी माता, बालक को पहुँचा दे पार तू। देखना अवगुण है मेरी माता, बालक को पहुँचा दे पार। शरण तेरी मैं आई अंजलि, तार पिता तू दे मुझको तार। तेरी शरण में, तेरी शरण में, तेरी शरण में, तेरी शरण दादा तेरी शरण में, तेरी शरण में, तेरी शरण में, तेरे चरण में, तेरी शरण में, तेरी शरण में, तेरी शरण में, तेरी शरण में।
Dada Shyam, oh Dada Shyam, oh Dada Shyam, oh Dada Shyam। तूने क्या क्या ना किया, तूने क्या क्या ना किया, इस दास के लिए, इस दास के लिए, इस दास के लिए, इस दास के लिए। हो मांगा था तुझसे जरा सा, हो मांगा था तुझसे जरा सा, तूने सब कुछ दे दिया, तूने सब कुछ दे दिया। इस दास के लिए, इस दास के लिए, इस दास के लिए, इस दास के लिए। कितनी कृपा तेरी, तेरी मेहरबानी, कितना रहम तेरा, तेरी कदरदानी। कितनी कृपा तेरी, तेरी मेहरबानी, कितना रहम तेरा, तेरी कदरदानी। ओ दादा श्याम, ओ दादा श्याम, ओ दादा श्याम, ओ दादा श्याम। कर याद तेरी भलाई, ये अखियां भर आई। कर याद तेरी भलाई, ये अखियां भर आई। रो रो के दादा गाऊं तेरा शुक्रिया। तूने क्या क्या न किया, तूने सब कुछ दे दिया। इस दास के लिए, इस दास के लिए, इस दास के लिए, इस दास के लिए। पापों में घिरा था तूने आ निकाला, गुनाहों में जकड़ा तूने आ संभाला। पापों में घिरा था तूने आ निकाला, गुनाहों में जकड़ा तूने आ संभाला। ओ दादा श्याम, ओ दादा श्याम, ओ दादा श्याम, ओ दादा श्याम। कर याद तेरी भलाई, ये अखियां भर आई। कर याद तेरी भलाई, ये अखियां भर आई। रो रो के दादा गाऊं तेरा शुक्रिया। तूने क्या क्या न किया, तूने क्या क्या न किया। इस दास के लिए, इस दास के लिए। अंधेरा था दिल में तूने जो जगाई, सुर्त थी भटकती शब्द में लगाई। अंधेरा था दिल में तूने जो जगाई, सुर्त थी भटकती शब्द में लगाई। ना पुण्य ना तपस्या न किया कोई दान, ना पुण्य ना तपस्या न किया कोई दान। ये सब है दादा तेरा अंजलि पे एहसान, अंजलि पे एहसान, अंजलि पे एहसान, अंजलि पे एहसान, अंजलि पे एहसान। कर याद तेरी भलाई, ये अखियां भर आई। कर याद तेरी भलाई, ये अखियां भर आई। रो रो के दादा गाऊं तेरा शुक्रिया। तूने क्या क्या न किया, तूने क्या क्या न किया। इस दास के लिए, इस दास के लिए। ओ मांगा था तुझसे जरा सा, मांगा था तुझसे जरा सा, तूने सब कुछ दे दिया। तूने क्या क्या न किया। इस दास के लिए, 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 इस दास के लिए। ओ दादा श्याम, ओ दादा श्याम, ओ दादा श्याम, ओ दादा श्याम। इस दास के लिए, 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 इस दास के लिए।
सा रे ग म ग रे सा ध नि सा रे ग रे सा ऋतुएं आई गई नहीं आए मेरे दादा ऋतुएं आई गई नहीं आए मेरे दादा खबर है तुझको मैं हूँ खबर है तुझको मैं हूँ बेयारा आकर दे विश्राम हूँ तेरे ही सहारे उठ कर रात आधी मैं तुझे निहारूं भर कर आँखों में आंसू पिया को पुकारूं भर कर आँखों में आंसू दादा को पुकारूं स्नेह में सजना मैं तुम्हें संभालूं स्नेह में सजना मैं तुम्हें संभालूं समय गुजर गया दिया क्यों भूला वचन जो दिया आकर उसे निभा आना दादा हूँ मैं तेरे ही सहारे यहाँ गुजारे बुरे दिन हैं मैंने यहाँ गुजारे मिलन की प्यासी बैठी बाट निहारूं मिलन की प्यासी बैठी प्यास निहारूं बिरहा बत्ती जलाऊं तेरे ही सहारे बिरहा बत्ती जलाऊं मैं तेरे ही सहारे करना देर दादा जल्दी आओ निकल ना जाए ना अब तो तरस दिखाओ अब तो दरस दिखाओ ऋतुएं आ आए मेरे नाना।
मिल गए हंसते हुए रेशम के कोमल दो सिरे, ओ मिल गए हंसते हुए रेशम के कोमल दो सिरे। बन गया एक प्यार का पथ पग जहाँ इनके गिरे। दादा साईं मेरे साईं, दादा साईं मेरे सच्चे साईं, मेरे सच्चे साईं। ये मोहब्बत ही नहीं खुद इश्क की पहचान है। इनके कांधों पर बसी एक सूफियाने शान है। ये मोहब्बत ही नहीं खुद इश्क की पहचान है। इनके कांधों पर बसी एक सूफियाने शान है। दादा साईं मेरे साईं, दादा साईं मेरे सच्चे साईं, मेरे सच्चे साईं। हो प्यार का मतलब ही है बस प्यार और फिर और प्यार। हाथ दिल आंखें सभी पर प्यार का हो इख्तियार। प्यार का मतलब ही है बस प्यार और फिर और प्यार। हाथ दिल आंखें सभी पर प्यार का हो इख्तियार। दादा साईं मेरे साईं, दादा साईं मेरे सच्चे साईं, मेरे सच्चे साईं। हो देख देखो जो भी है वापस पलट कर आएगा। प्यार देने से ये जीवन एक चमन बन जाएगा। देख देखो जो भी है वापस पलट कर आएगा। प्यार देने से ये जीवन एक चमन बन जाएगा। दादा साईं मेरा साईं, दादा साईं मेरे सच्चे साईं, मेरे सच्चे साईं, मेरे सच्चे साईं, मेरे सच्चे साईं।
Friends and fellow devotees of the Lord, Namaskars to every one of you. We are met together, as you all know, at a question-answer session. Questions can be asked by anybody. Likewise, answers too can be given by anybody. Surely there will be some questions to which I may not be able to give adequate answers. And if any one of you has an answer which is better than the one that I can give, kindly don't hesitate in asking for the mic. Thank you.
Dearest Dada, how will the Kali Yuga end? Will we have total destruction?
Kali Yuga will end. I do not know how it will end, because I have no memory of the last Kali Yuga. It was thousands of years ago. But I believe that there will be no total destruction. It will be a passage from one yuga to another. We are passing now through a turbulent period. We should keep on praying. Prayer has great power. We should keep on praying, and we should keep on serving as many people as we can. Until there is a turn of events, we can, living in Kali Yuga, we can abide in Satya Yuga. If in our heart within there is love for all creatures, all beings, I am living in Satya Yuga. If only we can do that. As many of us as possible should try to cultivate love for all beings in the heart within. Then you all as a group are inviting Satya Yuga. That is, I think, the purpose of the satsang. When you come and sit in the satsang, when you come and sit here in the camp, you feel as though you are in heaven. So many of us, we get that feeling as though we are in heaven. We are in a heavenly atmosphere. That is living in Satyug while all around you is Kali Yuga. This we can all do. And this we should all do. Cultivate love in your heart for everyone. Love and respect. What is the difference between me, an ordinary man, and a holy man of God, a saint of God? The difference is only this. The holy man, the saint of God, beholds a picture of God in everyone around him. I don't. I see the fault in others. Stop seeing fault in others. There is what they call dosha drishti. There is what they call guna drishti. You should belong to people who have developed guna drishti. Remember, the worst amongst us has some qualities which I should imbibe. And the best amongst us has qualities which I should give up. Therefore, the best amongst us has also to learn from the worst amongst us. If our attitude is a positive one, we will always see the good in others. And as we see the good in others, we are preparing for Kali Yuga to come to a close. If we all unite to do this, I tell you, you can bring Kali Yuga to a close even before 2012.
Gurudev, I want to give up everything at your lotus feet. How do I start?
Firstly, don't think of me as Gurudev. I am not a Gurudev. I am only a disciple of the great master. Whatever I am telling you is what I have imbibed from him. So that is the first thing that you must do. Think of the Gurudev. The Gurudev is here. He is a living reality. He is in touch with the earth. You can contact him. You can, if you are fortunate enough, if you are blessed enough, you can speak to him. You can see him. And if you want to offer everything at the lotus feet of the Lord, then as we had the earlier question, all you have to do is to surrender your mind and your buddhi to the Guru. That's all that you have to do. Once you surrender your mind, you have done your part of the work. It is our mind that keeps on disturbing us. It is the mind that keeps on creating a gulf between me and my Guru. The mind judges, and the mind does not judge properly.
Dada, in Seva I keep making many mistakes, which leaves one discouraged at times. Is such Seva still acceptable to the Lord?
If seva is offered in a spirit of utter selflessness, it is acceptable to the Lord. Even if you make mistakes, it is acceptable to the Lord. It is the spirit of selflessness that has the mobility to take the act of seva to the Lord. So all that is needed is a spirit of selflessness and a spirit of offering. You do it as an offering to the Lord. You expect nothing in return. In return, if you get abuses, in return, even if you get a beating, there have been cases where a person goes and serves, and in return he gets a beating. He accepts it all. Such service is acceptable to the Lord. But when we serve, within our heart there is this lurking desire that we should be praised. We expect praise out of the service that we do. It is that which stands as a veil between me and my God. Is that all?
Dearest Dada, I have been requesting you to come in my dreams and bless me. When will you come to me, Dada?
You have requested me, and I keep on coming. But when you get up, you forget. This is your difficulty. If only you can keep awake the whole night, you will find, etc., etc.
Dearest Dada, what is the significance of Havan? Should I perform Havan in our homes by ourselves, or how do we do it?
There are types of Havan. There is a type of Havan which is called Vedic Havan. If you want to do Vedic Havan, you have to follow rules. But if you just do Havan, you can do it in a freelance manner. All you have to do is to light the fire and go on pouring clarified butter, ghee as you call it, ghee. You should not use the ghee which you use for cooking. That is copra oil. That is not ghee. This should be clarified butter. This is very important. Havan is a request to the goddess of fire, Agni Devta, to carry our messages to the Lord. When we do Havan, if we have any request, if we have any prayer which we want should reach the Lord, we can offer while the Havan fire is burning. And Havan in itself purifies the atmosphere. It will purify the atmosphere of the whole house. Experiments have been carried on, especially in Russia, where they have found that the ash that you get out of the Havan fire, that ash, if it is spread on the soil, that soil yields a very rich harvest. Several other experiments are being carried on, but their results have not yet been announced. You can do Havan in your own way. But there is also the Vedic type of Havan. In that Vedic type of Havan, you have to offer special ahuti. We usually offer til seeds here, I think. Whenever I come here, I find that sesame seeds are being offered to the fire. But according to the Vedic Havan, you will do well to contact the Arya Samaj people, and they'll be able to give you a combination of ahuti which you should offer in the Havan. But it all depends upon what type of Havan you want to perform.
Dearest Dada, does your grace fall on all of us even if you don't look at us and are physically away from us?
I cannot claim that I can pass on grace to you. That is the work of the Guru. But I am only a carrier. So please don't think that it is my grace. It is the Guru's grace. And the Guru's grace can be communicated in a variety of ways. It can come to us through the eyes. It can come to us through the hand. It can come to us through thought. Perhaps the best vehicle is the thought. When we are all met together here, we can pour grace on each other through thought. Through thought you can reach hundreds of people, perhaps thousands of people.
Beloved Dada, increased workload leads to tension and depression. I am not able to decrease the workload. Kindly give some suggestion to prevent tension and depression.
If you are unable to decrease the workload, you should do one thing. Do one thing at a time. The difficulty with many of us is that when we are doing one thing, we are thinking of the many things that yet remain to be done. forget them all. There was a typist. She had to type out 300 letters on a particular day. The boss went around. They usually go and supervise whether the work is being done properly. The boss went round and came to this typist, and he said to her, "You must be worried. You must be tensed up because you have to do so much work today." She smiled as she said to her boss, "Sir, I don't think of the work that is yet to be done. I am concentrated on this one letter which I am typing now. One at a time, one at a time, one at a time." Our difficulty is that while we are doing that one particular thing, we are thinking in the background of our consciousness of that tremendous work that is to be done. We are given the example of a clock. One day the clock stopped working. Suddenly it came to a stop. So they asked the clock. In those days we had grandfather clocks. They could talk to you. Now we don't have those clocks. Grandfather clocks. So they asked the grandfather clock, "Why have you stopped suddenly?" He said that I thought of the number of millions of ticks that I have to make. He calculated properly. I don't remember the exact figure, but he said, "I understand that I have to make 100 millions of ticks before I can come to a stop." This has made me stop right now. So when they said to him, "Don't worry about the 100 millions of ticks. All you have to do is to one tick, tick, then tick, then tick." Yes. And the clock is still ticking.
Dearest Dada, I have the world's best father and I have the world's best guru. Now I have the world's best father and I have the world's best guru. Now I'm confused. Who shall I follow?
Make the world's best guru, make the world's best guru your best father. That's all it. You tell the world's best guru that you are my father. Come, I'll give you a hug.
One last question, Dada. Is it correct to do pest control at homes and offices because it amounts to killing lots of insects and cockroaches?
Yeah.
But at time we have to do it. Going by the
It is not good to do it, but if you simply have to do pest control, then you should take pains to clean the whole thing first, so that there are no pests. Now, for instance, cockroaches. Cockroaches may have crowded your house. Then first take up a broom in your hand and sweep the house so that all cockroaches are taken out, and immediately thereafter you tell the pest control to come and do their work, so that no cockroach is killed. You have to take pains.
So it should be preventive measures, sir.
Pardon?
Dada, it should be preventive measure, but practically people do it to kill cockroaches and insects.
If they want to kill cockroaches, that is not right. Yes. Yes. We have to take pains to see that no creature is killed. Life is a gift of God. Only He can take it away. We have no right. I think a day will come when we will be told What is the place of the cockroach in the economy of nature? If supposing all the cockroaches were killed, there would be imbalance of which we are not aware now. This is what they did in China. In one part of China, they said, kill all sparrows. They actually offered so much money for every sparrow, alive or dead, that people brought to them. And all sparrows were killed. So with the result that there was no sparrow in that part of China. And the next year they found that it affected the harvest. Because the sparrows, they, you know what they do, they go and kill worms and all that in the soil. So the soil was filled with worms, and the worms started eating what they had sown. Then they invited sparrows. Then they said, we are prepared to purchase sparrows if you will give them to
Dada,
us.
I have done pest control twice at my decision. So what should I do now?
You have done
Twice. Pest control, I have done it twice in my office.
pest control.
So what should I do now?
Pray for forgiveness and feed the pests. I don't know, but how you will be able to do it?
You tell me.
You should serve them.
I pray to you, Dada, for forgiveness.
Pray to the Lord. He will forgive you. He has forgiven you. You have asked for forgiveness. He has forgiven you.
I'm a vegetarian. Many of my friends are non-vegetarian. It gets very hard to convince them not to have non-vegetarian food because they say that if they're killing an animal, we're killing plants to eat them.
We are killing plants, it is perfectly true. But the pain that is caused to the plant when it is killed is infinitesimal compared to the pain which the animal feels when it is killed. The ideal should be to cause as little pain as we can to all beings that are around us. And the pain that is caused to the vegetable when it is killed is more or less zero. But the pain which the animal feels is the same as the pain which I would feel if they killed me. The difference is vast. Bal.
Where is Bade Dada and how is he?
He is doing very well. And he is blessing you. He is blessing you. Any other question? Bas.
प्रभु तेरी ही कृपा से सब काम हो रहा है। करते हो तुम प्रभु जी, मेरा नाम हो रहा है। दादा तेरी ही कृपा से सब काम हो रहा है। तकलीफ और तंगी में नूरी एक तू ही मददगार, उठाए हैं अंजलि के जन्मों के सारे भार। करता नहीं मैं कुछ भी, सब काम हो रहा है। करते हो तुम ओ दादा, मेरा नाम हो रहा है। दादा तेरी ही कृपा से सब काम हो रहा है। ओ सब काम हो रहा है। ओ सब काम हो रहा है। दादा श्याम।